Hi, hello students. Welcome to my class Easy Maths Jyoti IS. It's a class for 8th standard students, CBSE and CERT and also for Karnataka State students. In this, the chapter number 4, the practical geometry. Here, the side topic is construction of the quadrilaterals. Constructing a quadrilaterals when two diagonals and three sides are given. In that we are solving the exercise 4.2. All of you look at in your textbook. Exercise 4.2, the first problem and second problem. Okay students, let us take exercise 4.2, the first problem. Construct a quadrilateral lift. Lift LI is 4 cm, IF is 3 cm, TL is 2.5 cm, LF is 4.5 cm, IT is equals to 4 cm. The quadrilateral given here is lift. Let us first, before going to construct a quadrilateral, first we are going to write the rough sketch of any quadrilateral lift. Okay, lift L I F T. It's a rough sketch of a quadrilateral. In that, LI is equals to 4 cm and IF is equals to 3 cm and TL is equals to TL is equals to 2.5 centimeter. LF is equals to, the diagonal is given, that is the diagonal is LF is equals to how much? 4.5 centimeter is given, and IT is equals to IT, two diagonals, IT is equals to how much? 4 centimeter is given. Now look at here, three sides. In which triangle? Here we are getting a triangle LIF. In this, all the length of the three sides we have no. Therefore, first we are drawing the triangle LIF. Okay, for that base is same taken as IF. Right, draw a line IF like this. Okay, IF, for that the measurement of IS is how much it is given? Only 3 centimeter. Take exactly the measurement of 3 centimeter with the help of the compass. As students, you do along with me. If you do like this, it's very easy. It's a very easy to do the problems. Like this, constructing will become very easy. Even I will take the time, that much only you can take the time. Is equals to what we got? IF. IF is equals to how much? 3 centimeter. And then IL. Look at there, how much IL? IL is equals to 4 centimeter. Make it first. Yes, initial point is 0. Then that is equals to 4 centimeter. Like this, you have to take measurement, pointing it on the eye, then draw an arc on upper side like this. Okay, and then LF is given. LF is equals to how much? LF, that is diagonal, is equals to 4.5. 4.5, that is equals to 4.5. Yes, like this you have to take 4 point, pointing this point F, or pointing this compass needle on the point F, cut an arc. Yes, here what we got, the triangle, and name this point as L. Now join IL like this. Join IL. Okay students, join IL and LF, isn't it? Yes, LF. Now what we got? LF as the base. Again we have to construct. What is that? 2.5 centimeter. Or otherwise the IT we can make. Otherwise we are going to make LT 2.5 centimeter. The measurement of 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter like this. Yes, this is 2.5 centimeter. Cut an arc like this. It's a very small quadrilateral you are getting. Cut an arc like this. Okay, now yes, now what we know this IT is another diagonal. What is the measurement of IT is equals to 4 centimeter. Take the measurement of 4 centimeter like this. 4 centimeter. Yes, here we got 4 centimeter. Pointing it on the point I like this. Point I is there. Cut an arc. Okay, students, what you are doing? Cut an arc like this, which cuts the previous arc of L and T. Okay, the point of intersection of those two intersection point will be T. Okay, students, here from L we made cut 2.5 centimeter like this. After that, with the radius of 4.5 centimeter, we cut the same arc like this. The point of intersection of those two curves is T. Now join LT and FT. Now join LT like this and FT. LT and IT. First we are joining the diagonal and that curve. Yes, like this we have joined. We are what we are at given data. First write this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this one also 4 centimeter. This diagonal is 4.5 centimeter and this one is 2.5 centimeter. Now join the FT. Join FT just like this only. Yes, this is the quadrilateral that we required, LIFT. In this way we constructed the quadrilateral. Yes, let us move on to the next problem. The second problem like this. Okay, students, here the second problem is quadrilateral gold. OL 7.5 centimeter, GL is 6 centimeter, GD is 6 centimeter, LD is 5 centimeter, OD is 10 centimeter. Okay, now before going to construction, first draw the rough sketch of gold. Any quadrilateral you don't know how we will get. That should be GOLD, gold. In that OL is equals to what will become a big quadrilateral 7.5 centimeter. GL is equals to GL. GL is the what? GL is the diagonal. Okay. As it's a diagonal, what is that? 6 centimeter. And GD is equals to 6 centimeter. LD is equals to L and D is 5 centimeter. And then OD is another diagonal that is equals to how much? This is 10 centimeter. Okay, students, for this you should need a big space. Yeah, look at the rough sketch. In this, the three elements of a triangle we known are S, S and S. Three sides of a triangle we know. First, we are going to construct this triangle. with the base GL. Okay, draw the GL. How much? This is 6 centimeter. Okay, like this. Take 6 centimeter with the help of the compass. Make it first, students. It's very easy. 6 centimeter like this. Okay, make a cut the line like this, and here also. Yes. Okay, give the name it as GL. Okay, well, we know that GD is also 6 centimeter. Don't change the measurement. Cut an arc on upper part of the GL line like this, and here from L, DL is equals to how much? This is GD, this is GD, and this is LD. LD is equals to how much? LD is equals to 5 centimeter. Like this. Take the measurement 5 centimeter, exactly 5, and make a cut pointing it on the point L like this. Yes, it's very easy. Here make the point as D and join GL and GD. Yes, we got the half part of the quadrilateral, that is a triangle GLD. Write the measurements of this. This is also 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, and this one is 5 centimeter. And now look at this triangle GOL. In this GOL, what we know? OL. LO is equals to how much? 7.5 centimeter. First make this 7.5 centimeter arc. Yes, like this, 7.5 centimeter. From L we are cutting the arc like this, 7.5 centimeter. Yes, okay, we got this. Now what is the measurement we know? OD is equals to how much? OD is equals to 10 centimeter. That is the diagonal OD like this. Yes, OD is equals to 10 centimeter measurement we should take exactly on 10 point. Yes, like this, 10 centimeter. Pointing the compass needle on the point D and cut an arc. Which should cut the previous arc which is drawn on pointing L. Okay, it is cut. The point of intersection of these two arcs will be the point O. Now join OL and OD. OD is here. OD. Yes, join like this, and here also join OL. Isn't it? How much OL is equals to how much? 7.5 centimeter. OD is equals to 10 centimeter. OD is the diagonal, and the remaining side we will get by joining GO. The fourth side of the quadrilateral we are getting it by joining the O point and G. Okay students, this is the required quadrilateral of this. Okay students, thank you for watching. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe, do share and do like. Thank you for watching.